You got it working yet? Hmm?
Yeah, if you want to help, it'll
Okay.
be faster.
Ooh.
Candles are going up. Okay, sing to mommy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear mommy. Happy birthday to you. Blow your candles. Yay!
Okay.
Turn on the lights. I didn't get the cake.
Oh.
Okay. So this is December the 6th. And it's been an interesting day. We started off the day. Nate took his car in to get... Oh, I'm going to start yawning already. Took his car in to get his windshield replaced so he can get a brake tag. Then proceeded to go and see about getting a brake tag, and the guy told him that he couldn't because of something else. So Nate did a couple things and couldn't figure out what the guy was trying to say was wrong. So he took it to another place and they gave him the brake tag. So yay. I don't understand all that. But he spent a better part of the day trying to figure out what the guy said was wrong, that was wrong. And who knows. So I took the kids to gymnastics. And instead of Lucy just being the only person in her class, because everyone else switched to the later class, it looks like Linus is going to be able to be in class with her, which will be great, because then I will be by myself for about 45 minutes, which is... I'll pay for 45 minutes of freedom. So he went in to test to see if having both of them in there together will not be distracting for Lucy, because I don't want to take away Lucy's time by putting Linus in, especially because he's not really even supposed to be in that class. He's several levels. He's in a regular boys gymnastics class now. So she's just trying to figure out the ways that the boys coach is teaching him so that she can continue teaching him. Oh my goodness. Then we came home and I tried to keep the kids occupied while Nate was home trying to figure out the car thing. And my parents came over, my mom just to hang out with me, and my dad decided to try and see if there was anything he could do to help Nate figure out the issue, which neither one of them could figure it out. Go figure, right? And the whole day's been cold and rainy. We had the little front come through last night. So we went from it being 80 degrees in the morning yesterday to 40 degrees today, which is crazy. I'm waiting for the sick to hit, because those drastic changes usually kill me. And I'm still almost over. What was it 2 weeks ago? When I got sick? I don't know. The weather here is crazy. It makes no sense. So, after all that was done, we met my parents over at the Ray store to shop. Which I'm surprised the kids usually spend the entire time we're there in the book section. They found their books super quick this time. But for some reason, I don't know what it was, everything in the store was 50% off, which was great. So I told them, I said, go back and find some more books. Go get some more books. I wasn't done. So I picked up a couple little household things, a couple shirts, a jacket. The kids got, I don't know, like 10 books? Something crazy like that, for $1. And then Nate was with us because he took off today. He found like a huge box of D batteries, I think it was. That wound up being like super cheap. So he bought a huge box of batteries, and then they had hoses there, brand new hoses. So he bought a couple hoses because we only have one decent hose, and because we didn't bring any of the hoses from our old house to this one, so we really only had one decent hose that was left here. So we needed some new ones. So he got some new ones, and he got one for when they go camping. I think that was all I got. Oh, I got a really pretty brooch. Pretty. I was wearing it. I took it off already because I was anticipating fixing to go take my shower, and then I was like, oh, let me record before I take my shower. Because I don't think I've talked to y'all at all today. Let's see. Then we went to Whole Foods and picked up a birthday cake and some wine and they had this pumpkin goat cheese that sounded really good because I love goat cheese. So good. So we got that because I want to try that. Which I need to go back to Sam's. Sam's has usually like is it a cranberry cinnamon or a blueberry cinnamon or something like that? Or maybe it's just blueberry goat cheese. Super good. You go back and get some. I love cheese. And let's see, what else did we get? We got a bottle of wine. Oh, we got some soap. For some reason, Nate likes to get his soap there. Which, they smell good and everything. I prefer this other person that I was buying from. But, yeah, whatever. I'm not too particular with my soap. So, we got the soap. And I think that was it. And the kids got their free banana, which is a great reason to go to Whole Foods. Then we went out to eat at the Abita Brew Pub, which is a local brewery here. We live like 2 minutes from the actual brewery, which is kind of cool. We haven't made it to any of the events yet, though, which kind of stinks. I think the one time Nate was going to go, I wasn't feeling good or something, so he wasn't able to. But we went to the brew pub, and I got chicken Abita Feller, and then we got bacon wrapped oysters, and crawfish cornbread. And then I got one of their cast beers, I think it was called. A cask beer, whatever. And it was super good. You'll see some videos of all the yummies. And then we came home and the kids took their baths while I picked things up. And I did, oh, then we did happy birthday cake. And I had a present from my father-in-law. I'll show you. Because they know me. I got a big bag of fiber and all kinds of different colors, which is going to be super fun. Lucy has already claimed the yellow. Surprised Linus didn't claim the green yet, but Lucy has claimed the yellow. And I'm assuming that this is from, this way, the Websters in Ashland, Oregon, I'm assuming. That's where it's at. Yarn at Websters.com. I get all kinds of fun Oregon things from them. They know how to spoil me, I think. They know, they get all the stuff that they know I like. Specialty yarns, and this is the first time they've given me fiber though, so that's kind of cool. That'll be fun. I think she knows because I just recently got the spinning wheel, so I think that was the reason for that. But yeah, I did buy a bunch of stuff over at the Renaissance Fair last week, over the weekend, which is usually what I do as my birthday present from Nate. Got some Finn fiber and some Romney fiber, some Angora rabbit fur, some skeins of yarn. I wound the yarn that I dyed yesterday up today. I think I've figured out which yarns I'm going to wind up putting up for sale and what I'm keeping and what I'm maybe passing on to friends. So now I just have to figure out prices. But I think that's pretty much everything that's happened today. I have another pile of laundry that I need to do. But it's my birthday. We'll wait. I'll do it tomorrow. I'm saving yesterday's vlog, and so hopefully I'll get that one up tonight. Hopefully it'll go up. I was hoping to have it done yesterday, but shortly after recording I just fell asleep and I had a hard time waking up this morning. So Nate just kind of hung out while he waited for his windshield to get done so I could get a little extra sleep. Thank you. But yeah, hopefully I'll get this one done on time though. We'll see. So I think that is everything, and I will see y'all tomorrow. I'm going to go take my shower and get ready for bed and put the clothes on the floor so I can fold those tomorrow because I'm not doing those tonight now. So, night.